Okay, in the last video I was looking at these EGR maps in the EDC 16 dump from this Laon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to whiz forward and see if we can find anything else interesting. See if we can find the torque map or the torque limiting map. We've got a lot going on here compared to an EDC 15. I'm looking for those characteristic little bumps. There we go, look, there they are. So that is probably the torque map that we're looking for, or the torque limiting map. So I'll just double click on that one. So there we go. What have we got here? Well, we've got there, if you remember, if you've watched the EDC 15 videos, there we've got air pressure or atmospheric pressure. I'm going to use millibars. Not everybody uses that, but I'm going to use that for those. What have we got along the top here? We've got revs per minute. So we've got engine speed and revs per minute. Neither of these need anything doing to the data. It's okay. Now what have we got here? This looks suspiciously not like injection quantity, which is what we would have found on an EDC 15, because again these figures would be too low, wouldn't they? I mean, that would be 27.7 milligrams and that would be 26.5. So it looks as if our torque map is actually measuring torque. So what we've got here then is our torque limiting map, and it looks like it is actually giving values in torque, or of torque, on Newton meters, in which case that is probably 0.1. I doubt we need any decimal points. It obviously isn't 0.1 because those figures are still too high. So, oh, it didn't take, that's why, 0.1. I wasn't looking properly. Okay, there we go. So we've got reasonably sensible figures for a torque output from a torque limiting map. So that would seem to be okay. So pretty much as an EDC 15 really, except that the output's different. I'll stop there, so we'll make that one pretty short and sweet.